Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timer knob on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the timer knob is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So taking a look at our top control panel here, you'll see that we've got our knobs and our button, but we're missing our timer knob. So now grab your new OEM replacement timer knob, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So on the back of our timer knob, we've got this D-shaped hole, and that's going to fit that D-shaped knob right there. So we can just turn it around, line it up, and push it straight on. And now you can test it out. And now you can do your laundry again. Yay! You know, I've been wondering lately, does the Earth make fun of other planets for having no life? Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.